There are a few key things you must have. And what I want you to think in terms of is that we are talking about the greatest business in the world, getting it started properly. And because it's a business, we got to treat it like a business. And businesses require the best tools.
I've always had a passion since I was a teenager to have my own business. I've said, well, I need to do it, and I don't want to have a regret not doing it. So, and I am so thankful that I did it.
One of the things that you guys are going to get, of course, is the $1,000 rebate when you start trading, and commission rebates. Is having more than one monitor. Portable monitors, they come with a case, and this is also a stand. You fold it open, and you've got this paper thin monitor. Some of you might have seen the trade I did at that cafe in Florence. Unless it moves up. So I'm going to flirt with the lows of the day here. It happened right at 9, right when I said it just went kapow. That's it, one and done. Backpack Trader style, live at a cafe in Florence. Gotta love it. It's because you need the charting platform that will allow you to do that. A variety of chart tools that we have customized for accurate targets. But what I love the most about TradeStation is their charts. Because with their charts, my strategies work and show you the trades right on the chart.
Order filled.
Right.
Order filled.
Look at that. I already hit all the targets. Done. That's it. Done. But you can see the exact entry, the exact targets, the exact stop, the whole trade.
I was amazed at the extensive amount of testing that Troy and the team does on all the indicator sets. Testing each one of them, various settings against each one of them to really get down to that most successful pattern that's has a high probability of positive results.
This may come up, if it hits the stop loss before triggering in, then I'm going to cancel this trade, but it's a setup. We'll see what happens. For Forex, MT4 and MT5 are the big ones. It'd be Ninja Trader, be Ninja Trader, be Ninja. This one behind me too is the one I used to call the trade room on. I'd walk on a treadmill and get my exercise in while calling a live trade room. Maybe you want to put treadmill on your... A lot of people love to trade with Thinkorswim, for example. Thinkorswim, I use them a lot, but I use them to place stock and options trades. I don't do it on TradeStation. I day trade on TradeStation, but I place my swing trades with stocks and equities on the Thinker. And so Forex, if you want to write this down, you want to be a Forex trader, my top recommendation is Oanda, OANDA.com. Trading community, Backpack Trader. We have our Discord, but we also have all these different sessions that we do and what have you. Then you're surrounded by like-minded.
The training mastermind training, that happens during the week. And then there's other, people that have kind of come along, Troy, who've been doing this.
People will think of questions that you have the same question, you just didn't think of it yet. And so you shorten your learning curve and you learn a lot more.
Hello folks, my name is Mike Giles. I knew nothing of the stock market and even less about trading. And 7 short months later, I went from knowing nothing. I've never even seen a stock chart or a tick chart. All those things were Chinese to me. I am now successfully trading my clan. It's a few minutes a day in the stock market and growing my account.
One of our students, Mike Giles, perhaps you know him, you heard of him, right? He started knowing absolutely nothing. He was in a beginner training like this. And now he's hosting a trade room using our newest system, Cloud Control, that came out a few years ago.
And like, for instance, Mike Giles' trading room. So there's, and of course there's, communication channels like the Discord channel that allows you to touch base with other people.
Or John Lizar, who also started as a customer, and now he's been running the trade room, the one I used to run, for 18 years. So he kind of running it on YouTube Live, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays. So you guys can attend that. You can attend that. You can ask questions. You can get some exposure, and that's a great thing to be involved in an active community, especially a like-minded one that's all trying to do the same thing and learn the same way. You're just going to be better off. You'll learn a lot more, a lot faster. Make some friends too. The immediate past can predict with a high degree of accuracy the immediate future. So the immediate past being the pattern that just happened. And now you're on the right edge of the chart, and you got to make a trade decision without knowing what's going to happen in the future, which gives traders problems. It gives people trying to trade, and you can trail further up. And it finally stopped out right here, and in one trade, we hit our goals. Power of quitting. You don't have to keep trading, and these types of trades are fairly frequent with the strategy. Now, there's a reason I call this cloud control. So, again, that's where the training and the mentorship pays dividends, because the School of Hard Knocks is going to take the money from you, and it'll be a lot more.
I would be happy to talk to anybody who's contemplating getting in on the CEO mastermind group and fill them in on what it is and what it's going to take for them to kind of change their life. It helped me transition from my work life to what I'm going to do from here on out.
We'll officially start our quick start boot camp. Sound good?